Oh my gosh, you guys. Our guest coming up, Shelly. Can we say small? Can we say microcosm?
Like you can say award winning, you can say OMG, you can say you've never seen this before. It feels tired, but I keep seeing things I have never seen in 14 years of producing this show. Amy Pabst is from West Virginia. I believe the first artist we've had on our show from West Virginia. And she makes teeny tiny micro piecing. She does little pineapple blocks, she does log cabin blocks, and she keeps getting smaller and smaller, like from 3-inch blocks to 1-inch blocks to half-inch blocks. You got to see it to believe it.
It's unbelievable. And then we're lucky to have Alex sharing something with us.
Well, I have to say, I've become friends with you and Alex over the years in producing the show. And so Alex will say, "Okay, I'm working on this. What do you think about this for the demo?" And I'm like, "You made that? Like, really?" She goes, "Yes, of course I did. Why do you think?" So she's doing these amazing things in silk with embroidery. And when she gets to trouble spots, she's figuring out how to problem solve it, and it's really great. She's doing amazing things, and I'm reminded all the time how amazing you two are. You're not just hosts, you are actually amazing quilters with
But
brilliant ideas.
but here's the thing, it's all smoke and mirrors because we're just figuring it out as we go too, right? So you
Well, you do a
fake it till you
good
make
job
it.
faking it. You do a good job.
You guys, we enjoy having you as part of our quilt family. Be sure to watch the next show. It's going to be a great one.